take 3. Really, take 3. Welcome back to the studio today. I am here hanging artwork. Yeah, everything else is closed around me, so yeah, I'm hanging some artwork out here. I got permission to put some artwork on the walls out in the hallway because it reminds me it makes me think I'm walking into a doctor's office or somewhere corporate, and you know, this is about being fun and art, and yeah, so I'm gonna take you along with me, and yeah, we'll see what we get. Hopefully the captions will work on this one. This is like I said, take 3, because captions wouldn't work. Okay, take 2 of this one, because for some reason captions were not working. I hope this one will. So I'm gonna try this again, and I'm gonna take you and let you see what it looks like now with all the paintings on the wall. Okay, so here's the entrance to the studio. My sign. When you walk in, look at this. I am so excited. Makes it look so much more inviting in here, and it is just, I love it. Yeah, so here we go. And then you just walk around the corner and you're in the studio. Yep. Okay, it's Friday, so I'm going to take you along for my day. Today probably, I don't know, might not be so busy, but I'm going to take you along and let you see what I do. Right now it's freezing cold and it's drizzling, and I couldn't park down near my house. Yes, I live in a yard, because we have a very muddy driveway and it has rained too much, and I didn't want to get stuck. So I am right now walking up my driveway. I'll flip it around and let you see what I mean. This is my long, muddy driveway. So yeah, I gotta walk all the way up there, and it is really cold, and it feels like there's some sort of wintry mix today. Who knows? All right, so it's 2 gates, almost a quarter-mile walk from the house to where I parked, and yeah, it's cold. It's 39 degrees. I know it's colder in other places, but this Georgia girl is so used to warm weather and not this ice cold weather, and especially because it's drizzling and just so wet. Yeah. Alright, heading to the studio. Been in the studio for a little while and I forgot to film, but I am working on putting together some little gift sets. It'll be a note card, a button, a bookmark, a set of stickers, and an art print. That's that one. This one is the love kit, the love set. Same things. but just with the love design. Then I have the camera lovers, which is a cute little Polaroid, some stickers, a bookmark, a card, and an art print. And then I have this other one right here. This one is the Day at the Beach set, which is a button, a bookmark, stickers, and a notebook. And then this one here is the You're Gonna Be Okay, which is the acrylic keychain, a set of stickers, a card, an art print, and a notebook. So this one's going to be a little more expensive, higher price point than the others because of the keychain. Okay, now part of my day is updating my fair wholesale shop. So basically, if someone has a store, they can order from me through my link, which will be in the description box below, and set up a wholesale account, and they can order from me. And so I am launching a new collection of products just in time for the big fair market at the end of the month. So that's what I'm doing today, trying to make sure everything is loaded into the fair shop. And I'm watching some Natasha Newton, or listening while I'm working. I like having something going on. But yes, so that's what I'm doing right now, and I'll see you later. Alright, I realized I forgot to film anything to end this vlog, so I was really busy on Friday, so I didn't film as much as I thought I would. And I came in Saturday and created the Valentines cards that you see at the end. And I will see you soon. And if you like this video, and I would love for you to hit the like button and maybe subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you.